Hello students, in this video we'll talk about the neurotransmitters of the peripheral nervous system. So the learning outcome which will be achieved is you should be able to name the neurotransmitters released by the neurons of the different divisions of the peripheral nervous system.
So we'll just talk about the peripheral nervous system. So the peripheral nervous system consists of the nerve fibers which carry the information between the central nervous system and the other parts of the body, which are the effector organs. Now the two divisions of the peripheral nervous system are the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system is further subdivided into parasympathetic nervous system and the sympathetic nervous system. Now coming to the neurotransmitters involved in the somatic nervous system, the somatic nerve fibers, they release the neurotransmitter acetylcholine which acts on the effector organ, and the effector organ is skeletal muscle. The parasympathetic nervous system is the subdivision of the autonomic nervous system and consists of two fibers between the central nervous system and the effector organ. And the two fibers are called as preganglionic fibers and the postganglionic fibers. The preganglionic parasympathetic fibers release the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, and the postganglionic parasympathetic fibers release the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. The effector organ includes the smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, and the glands. Coming to the sympathetic nervous system, which is also a part of the autonomic nervous system, has two neurons, that is the preganglionic neuron and the postganglionic neuron, between the central nervous system and the effector organ. The preganglionic sympathetic fibers release acetylcholine, but the postganglionic sympathetic fibers mostly release noradrenaline, which acts on the effector organ. And the effector organ include the smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, and the glands. Now, there are some exceptions when we talk about the neurotransmitters released by the sympathetic postganglionic fibers. The first among them is the postganglionic fibers innervating the sweat gland. So, sympathetic postganglionic fibers which are innervating the sweat gland release the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. The preganglionic sympathetic fibers also release acetylcholine. The next change in the sympathetic outflow is the sympathetic preganglionic fibers which are innervating the adrenal medulla release acetylcholine. But the adrenal medullary cells release adrenaline and noradrenaline into the bloodstream, and these will act on the effector organs. These adrenal medullary cells are analogous to the postganglionic neurons. So to summarize, there are two types of neurons, cholinergic neurons and the adrenergic neurons. Cholinergic neurons release acetylcholine as a neurotransmitter, and adrenergic neurons release noradrenaline mainly, and or adrenaline also. The neurons are called as adrenergic neurons. The cholinergic neurons, which are in the peripheral nervous system, include the somatic nerve fibers, the preganglionic parasympathetic fibers, preganglionic sympathetic fibers, postganglionic parasympathetic fibers, and the postganglionic sympathetic fibers to the sweat glands and blood vessels in the skeletal muscles. Adrenergic neurons include the postganglionic sympathetic fibers, mostly to other organs other than the sweat glands and the blood vessels in the skeletal muscles. The effector organs to which it receives the postganglionic sympathetic fibers are adrenergic. So you must remember that the somatic fibers release acetylcholine. All preganglionic fibers of the autonomic nervous system release acetylcholine. All postganglionic parasympathetic fibers release acetylcholine. Most postganglionic sympathetic fibers release norepinephrine, and a few postganglionic sympathetic fibers release acetylcholine. So remember, the neurotransmitter released by the efferent neuron ending in the somatic system is acetylcholine, while in the autonomic nervous system, the neurotransmitter released between the pre and the postganglionic neuron is also acetylcholine, but between the postganglionic and the effector organ depends on the component of the autonomic nervous system and also depends on the effector organ.
And thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos.